In today's video, I am going to teach you how to master subitems in Monday.com. Start by opening Monday.com and going to your new board. Subitems are designed to help you break one main item into smaller, trackable parts, so it is a great way to manage work that has multiple pieces but still belongs under one parent task. On your board, click the item you want to work with so it is clearly highlighted. This step matters because subitems always live underneath a specific parent item. With that item selected, choose Add Subitem. You will see a new subitem row appear under the parent. Type a clear name for the subitem in the highlighted text area. Use a name that describes a specific action or deliverable, because you will be tracking progress at this smaller level. Next, move to the top area of the board and click Automate. This opens the Automation Center where you can set rules that create subitems for you automatically. Click Create Automation to start building one from scratch. In the Automation Builder, click When this happens, then select Item Created as your trigger. This means every time a new item is added to this board, Monday.com can automatically create a consistent set of subitems for it. Now click Create Subitem as the action. Then click into the subitem field so you can define what subitem will be created. Click New Item and type the subitem name in the highlighted area. This name is the template that will appear each time the automation runs, so keep it standardized and easy to understand. After that, continue clicking through the highlighted fields in the automation setup to confirm the details. Take your time here. Small differences in the selected fields can change what gets created and where it appears. When everything looks correct, click Create Automation to save it. Finally, return to your board. Click the highlighted area to close or exit the automation panel if needed. Then type in the highlighted field to add or edit an item name. Once the item is created, confirm that the automation produced the subitem exactly as expected. If you ever need to adjust naming later, you can edit the automation and update the subitem text so future items stay consistent. That covers everything you need to know.